Hello everyone, this is Jain and today we are comparing India's two biggest online learning platforms. Yes, you heard it right by the title. We are comparing Vedantu with Unacademy. A lot of my viewers commented on my previous Byju's versus Vedantu video that we want a detailed comparison on comparing Vedantu with Unacademy. Also, I have made videos on comparing Vedantu with Byju's and Unacademy with Byju's. And if you're interested in scholarship exams such as VSET and BNET, you will always find a dedicated video on my channel. So please visit, the links are in description. But first let us start comparing Vedantu with Unacademy. Unacademy has around 30 million user base, whereas Vedantu has around 25 million user base, and most of the students like both of these platforms, and I think preferably students like Unacademy better than Vedantu, but I will tell my opinion at the end of the video. Also, Unacademy has around 19,000 teachers teaching on their platform, which is a huge number by the way, and Vedantu has around 2,000 teachers. Now let's come to doubt solving. On both of these platforms, doubt solving is excellent. Most of the questions are already registered on their app. So if you get a similar question, you can just type it or voice type it and you can get the answer. Values might be different, but the structure of answering will be same. And I'm very much happy with Vedantu and the doubt solving. Also, one of my friends is using Unacademy and they were very happy with their doubts. And I had some bad experiences with Byju's, which I've shared in my Byju's versus Vedantu video. If you have not watched it, I will link it below in the description. So I think doubt solving is very good on both of these platforms, and they have live classes, so there is live doubt solving, which is like great, and I like it the most. Now both of these platforms have a dedicated apps. You can install their iOS and Android apps, which is a very good thing because I think I have experience with Vedantu and they consume very much less internet rather than Unacademy. Unacademy live classes consume more internet, so if you have limited internet such as I have around 1.5 GB, I have a Jio SIM card, so my net was consuming very much fast on Unacademy when I was using it for some, I was watching some videos on Unacademy, but in Vedantu they are very much data conscious. Now a lot of the viewers in my previous videos commented that they found Unacademy a better option for UPSC exams or various other competitive exams because they have a dedicated teacher who have cracked this exam and they would teach you very much fast and easily rather than Vedantu. Vedantu have small amount of teachers, but in Unacademy you get variety of teachers. Even a YouTuber named Aman Dattarwal, and there are many of the teachers who have cracked this exam will teach you on Unacademy, and there is a variety of teachers whom you can choose and learn. So I think this is the option which is Unacademy is providing, and sadly it is not there in Vedantu. So if you are studying for UPSC exams or GATE exams or various other competitive exams, I think Unacademy is the option you should go. I would recommend you buying Vedantu till 12th standard, and if you are studying for JEE, NEET and competitive exams, you should always go on Unacademy, and it's a very good platform for competitive exams. When I was comparing these platforms with Byju's, there was some difference, but I think Unacademy and Vedantu work on a similar business model, and their structure of content and their teaching method is quite similar. So I think the main difference which occurs on both of these platforms is the price. Now let us move on to a laptop screen because I think it would be easier for you to understand and to compare prices between Vedantu and Unacademy, which is the cheaper option and which is the one you should go. So now let us compare the prices of Vedantu and Unacademy. First we will select JEE. For NEET and JEE courses the prices are similar. So let's check for first Vedantu. Vedantu, the starting price is from 42,749, which is for Pro. With classic version you get doubt solving, and with the plus version you get one-to-one mentorship from Vedantu mentors. So it's a great thing, but it also costs more, around 28,000 more. So I would suggest you to go with the classic plan, as you will have lots of doubts in your JEE exams. You can clear it with a 60,000 plan. Also, if you use the VRROP code, you can get around 10% or to 5% off. So don't forget to use that code. Now let us move on to the 10th standard. For 10th standard, the prices are little bit cheaper. The Pro version starts with 29,000. Also, I would suggest you to buy only the Pro version for 29,000, as you don't have much doubts, and for doubts you can always ask your local school teacher. Now let us move on to Unacademy, and here we will first go with the 10th standard version, and here you get two options, Plus and Iconic. Also, in Plus section you get basic live classes, but if you buy Iconic there is one-to-one mentorship with teacher. Also your doubts will be solved, and there is Parents Connect and Study Planner. So if we go to Iconic for standard 10, it costs around 2000 rupees for the Iconic version for 24 months. and this is the best version which I would suggest you. Also, if you have any other referral code, you can use it. Now I can remember only one referral code, which is Aman Datarwal's Aman JE. For that, Iconic price starts with around 4,444 for 18 months. I would suggest you to buy for 24 months and prepare for JE. Also, this price is similar for NEET. Also, there is Aman JE code here, so I will apply it and the prices are reduced. At the end, if you want to buy Vedantu, there will be link in description. Same is the case with Unacademy. That was the comparison. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video, share it among your friends.